A little red eye. Pretty little jerker, boy, he hit that thing. I ain't got nothing big on today, fellas, but that right there is what I'm fishing with. Something to imitate one of them old river minnows. Water's pretty cold. See if we can get another one. It ain't nothing special. It's just a little crappy rod I use. It's got 10-pound braid on it. There should be one right there. That one's going on the stringer. Mother. There he goes. Son of a gun. Ain't that some shit? Alright folks, as y'all already can tell, we was in the creek fishing. Had a little run of bad luck because of my stupidity. Either way, we caught one, let the big one get away, broke my line. Y'all would stick around, we're fixing to get back after them. I just had a whopper get off, man. I don't know where he went, but he's back down in that trash. Fuck. He probably won't bite again. That was a 2.5 pounder. There should be a little one right there. There ain't many deep holes in this joker. I know. There's one right there, I guarantee you. Might be one at the tail of this, if I can hit the hole. He'll come out and get it. No, but there's one right there in front of it. Jeez. If there ain't one right over there, I'm going home. Jeez. He must be on the front of it. Or he must not be there, period. Just had a damn good brim. Didn't have my GoPro on. Gonna take him to the house and eat him. If we can get some more, if not, I'll let him go. Either way, he's gonna get cleaned and pan fried, baby. Let's get back in there after him. I caught him right there in that little hole. I've been trying to catch some bass. I lost a good one down there and one broke my line. Still upset about that. I'm gonna try and catch some more in there though. I just rolled up here. Got my little Cinco, about 3.5, 4 inch. Nothing serious. Y'all stay tuned. It's low, dry. We in here before this hurricane's coming, or I am, by myself. Either way, we'll see y'all. We should catch some more in this little treetop thing. Well, folks, finally at the end of my line. He got away. But we caught a few, lost some bigger ones because of my stupidity. It's been a while since I've done this little trigger happy. But I had a good time, relieved some stress down here in the water. Gonna walk back to the truck. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. If y'all would, subscribe, like, share with your buddies. Follow me on Facebook at Be About It Outdoors. We'll get back to you. Enjoy.